Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the exact device serial or service tag, because Dell uses that to generate the recovery key. Once you have the tag, sign into your Dell account on a second device and open the Support Recovery section. This avoids interrupting the recovery on the target machine. If you can't sign in, prepare proof of ownership like a purchase invoice and make sure the machine's BIOS is accessible. Then move to the next step to request the key. Now request the recovery key through Dell support using the service tag. This is how they verify device identity and generate the correct key. If automated options fail, escalate via chat or phone and be ready to submit proof of purchase, because that speeds validation. Once Dell provides a key, copy it precisely. Do not omit dashes or swap similar characters, because a single character mismatch prevents decryption. After copying, confirm the key on the locked device to proceed. Enter the provided recovery key into the device prompt. You'll regain access if every character matches. If the key fails, don't panic. Recheck the service tag, ask Dell to reissue the key, and compare characters that look alike, such as 0 versus letter O. This common error causes failures. Once unlocked, immediately back up the recovered key to your Dell account, a USB drive, and a printed copy, because redundancy prevents repeat lockouts. That final step closes the process and reduces future.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.